यत्रो त त्यही त निकाल्यो दुईटा निकाल्यो यस्तो यस्तो हुन्छ पानीमा त सानो हुन्छ
In the heart of a peaceful rural valley, this cow returned from her daily drink at the river. But something wasn't right. She was restless, snorting, shaking her head, mucus dripping non-stop. The farmer knew this wasn't just a cold. It was something far worse. Upon closer inspection, the shocking truth was revealed. Leeches. A dozen blood-sucking parasites had made their way deep into the cow's nose, feeding silently from within. Desperate and frightened, the farmer called for the village's most trusted vet, a man with decades of experience and a calm hand, even in the worst cases. The old veterinarian arrived with only the essentials: a towel, clean water, and an iron will. He gently stroked the cow's face, whispering to calm her. She knew help had arrived. Then, the extraction began. Leeches are small, worm-like parasites that survive by attaching themselves to a host and sucking its blood. When a leech enters a cow's nostrils, it clings to the moist tissue inside and begins feeding. The danger isn't just blood loss, it's the constant irritation, the risk of secondary infection, and the cow's inability to breathe properly. Left untreated, a leech infestation can weaken an animal quickly and even become life-threatening. With steady hands, he poured warm water into the cow's nostrils over and over. The goal, to irritate and flush out the leeches. Suddenly, movement. One thick black leech slithered to the edge. With swift precision, he caught it in the towel and pulled. The cow groaned softly, as if in relief.
नौवटा भयो नौवटा र काजै छ जिल्ला नौ ऊ अझै निस्क्यो दुईटा रहेछ तल यहाँ यहाँ चाहिँ हेर्नु नि यहाँ कम त छैन उहाँ भाइहरू पनि हेर्नु आउनु भएको छ पस्छ नि यहाँ हातमा पुरा छ उहाँ तल खोलामा ऊ फेरि निकाल्यो 10 वटा टक्क भयो आज यहाँ हेर्नुहोस् है यसलाई चाहिँ पानी र खुन भेट्यो भने चाहिँ यस्तो यहाँ चाहिँ यो त सानो पो कत्रो कत्रो हुन्छ आँखामा चाहिँ यहाँ तीन छवटा यहीँ भएको यहाँ भुइँमा छ 11 टक्क निकाल्यो अहिले गाइस साथी हो मान्छेको नाकमा पनि पस्छ यो जुगा यत्रो छ हेर्नुहोस् हो गौरीले थामेको यो 11 टक्क निकालेको छ यहाँ भुइँमा आदि छ
15 वटा जम्मा टोटल्ली
यत्रो निकाल्यो अन्त
But the fight wasn't over. These parasites were stubborn. Some were buried deep, their bodies slippery, their grip tight. The vet continued, dousing, waiting, grabbing. Each time he managed to pull out another leech, it felt like a small victory in a silent war.
तेह्र र अझै भएको 84 17 भएको अझै छ यो जङ्गलमा छोड्यो भने चाहिँ गोरुहरू सुन्छ किन त्यहीको पानी खाइदिन्छ नि त त्यो उम्रेको पानी खान्छ कि 17 भएको गोरे भगल रहेछ नागाना छु न हेर्नुहोस् नाकमा यसरी पस्नु आउँदैछ पानी दिनुपर्ने
Minutes turned into an hour. Sweat dripped from the vet's brow. The cow stood patiently, breathing easier with each extraction. Her eyes, tired, yet trusting. One by one, the invaders were removed until nothing remained but clean air and a second chance. This wasn't just a treatment. It was a moment of connection between man and animal, a reminder of how the smallest creatures can cause the greatest suffering, and how compassion, skill, and patience can turn pain into healing. If this story moved you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. There's more real-life farm medicine ahead.